Hey guys, so this is a review on the Sharkoon+skiller keyboard. I just got this from Amazon for about £13, so $16. If I just show you this keyboard now, it's a really good keyboard. Comes with the actual keyboard itself, a replacement keys for the WASD and arrow keys, you can see right here. These keys are blue and they've been rubberized. You probably won't be able to see this because of my crappy phone quality. But this like extra friction, I guess, so you don't really fall. Your fingers don't move off the keys. So the light there, I guess. This armrest kind of thing is really nice. If I just show you this kind of view, yeah, so that's really nice. These keys. This is how it sounds because some people want to hear how it sounds. So that's how it sounds. The only problem which I have right now is this. As you can see right here, the backspace key is just like the size of a normal key. So I'm not used to that. That's the only problem really. Came in that box right there. Really nice. These are the keys that I just took out from the actual keyboard itself. Still getting used to this keyboard. If you do buy it, don't expect to be able to use it properly straight away. There's my old keyboard, just a plain Logitech one right there. So yeah, you can pick this up from Amazon. It's been pretty highly rated as well. I think it was like 4.6 or 4.5 or something. So it's pretty good. Thanks for watching.